Amazing. This is a super amazing gym or fitness snapshot for the GoHighLevel. So if you are basically agency owner or potential user of GoHighLevel and you want to serve the gym or the fitness client, this is one of the best snapshot, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of it. Basically, these are the done for you workflows for all permutation and combination of scenarios that is possible. And then you have done for you funnels, done for you websites, done for you AI agents as well with this. So when you have done for you AI agents with this, what I'm trying to say is that everything gets automated. That means any user who's trying to, if you're trying to sell to the gym business owner, so the thing that you are selling is the AI automation of the entire business. That is the best part. Like, this is what you're promising to them, that your entire business will be AI automated. The external customer comes, chats to the AI chatbot, automatically appointment gets booked if they request, system will automatically send the SMS, send the email, and everything is done because of the setup of this snapshot. So I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to give you the live demo how I'm going to chat to the AI agent, a conversation AI or the AI voice agent, and we will see live how it actually books the appointment, how it actually, then the workflow takes over, everything happens. As you can see within the workflow, all permutation, if the appointment is confirmed, what sort of sequence should happen? If cancellation happens, what sort of sequence should happen? If, let's say, there is some day pass, some lead pass, nurturing, some inbound messages come, what sort of sequence? So all permutation and combination, super amazing workflows are given. So let us just quickly jump onto the websites. So here you have the 3 funnels as well, like funnel 1, funnel 2, funnel 3. For this, with this snapshot, you just edit it to your business need. Now you have 2 websites. This one is the first one, this one is the second one, and I'm going to open it to you like when we are trying to do the demo. Of course, okay, let me just quickly open one of the website. So as you can see, this is a home page, appointment page, thank you page. So if we just quickly try to open, so as you can see, about, classes, pricing, team, make an appointment, what do you get? 24/7 support, membership over this and that, unlimited classes, weightlifting, pricing plan. You can edit like team members, you can edit the details as per your respective clients. Like, instead of opening what I just opened, just click on the edit, and it is going to edit the respective thing for you. So basically you just open the edit and just place their logo and stuff. That's how this is done. As well as you have the AI agent, basically the voice agent and conversation AI. It's super amazing. Now let us begin just to, I'm going to quickly now show you how does entire thing automates the external clients. How does, I'm going to open the website live and try to chat with the AI chat agent, and we are going to see how the entire automation plays out. Now before that, quickly let me just tell you how do you get this entire snapshot. Not just this snapshot, AI powered gym or the fitness snapshot, but you are going to get the entire 127 snapshot set. By the way guys, okay, let me just quickly show you. If you do not know me, if you watch it onto the YouTube channel, I have been linked with using the GoHighLevel from early 2020 when it was really new. I have won awards like the Silver Affiliate Award with the GoHighLevel. I've done interview with the spokesperson Chase Buckner, long interview on my YouTube channel. The main face of GoHighLevel, the CEO and the co-founder Sean Clark, I've done a long interview. Varun Varavan, second co-founder, I've done a long interview with the strategies and what all is out there is possible in the GoHighLevel. So I've been pretty much living and breathing GoHighLevel. So the bonus that I'm talking about is this, basically bonus 127 snapshot. So the first snapshot that you saw, that was just one, and not just that, you are going to get access to private one-to-one support with me. I'm going to create a WhatsApp group between you, me, and one of my experts. 3 people. We are going to chat live for your personal setup and onboarding, whatever that you need, as well as a private mastermind WhatsApp group. Now this, we are about to start within this private mastermind WhatsApp group, all the inner circle members, weekly call where we are going to, all the members interact and share their stories of finding the clients and how did they get the client. This is the crazy super, this is the mastermind that Think and Grow Rich people talk about. And I believe this is going to be amazing. The connection you're going to form, the brain, the other people, it's as if everybody's combining to get you pick ideas from other people's brains. Super amazing. So only request that we are asking is just sign up to the GoHighLevel using our link, 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. You get special, this is a special link created for us, and the 30-day free trial you can take from it. And if you have already got the GoHighLevel plan, you can just upgrade to the $297 plan or $497 plan from the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. you'll find the link over there how to upgrade. And once you have done that, just email me at abdullah@abdullahzai.com or WhatsApp me at this number. I'll be taking care of the entire bonus set. Again, guys, like this is just one snapshot. You get 127 plus snapshot with this. Now let us just quickly jump and try to do the live demo. Like as if like when you're trying to sell the respective gym client that, hey, we are going to do the automation. Imagine you put their logo. Let's say there's like California Gymming, whatever the name is. You just put their logo, the name, edit some details in this and say, we have created your website. It automates. This is how it runs. Create this video. So let us just now try to chat. Hey, tell me about your business. Now, can you please book the appointment? We're just asking. So here it is giving the date and time. Now let's say we say, okay, book for Tuesday, 28 October, 2 p.m. Again, it is going to ask me my name, phone number, email, and your main fitness goal. As you can see, the question. Perfect, I'll book for this. Please provide the name. Let's now enter the name. And let's say I put in Abdullah. Let's say I just put random number just to see if it's email is, phone number is, goal is 6-pack abs. You're all set. Your appointment is booked. So basically you'll receive confirmation. And if we now try to go and see what has system done, like the system will automatically take care without any human intervention. This AI agent first of all will book the appointment, and we'll see whether the CRM is updated. Yes, the AI agent has updated this person's contact information within the CRM, and the conversation that was going on with this person is recorded. So there you go, guys. As you can see, not just the conversation. First, the AI agent has booked the appointment literally on the calendar. The appointment is booked by the AI agent, and because the appointment was booked, all the workflows as I showed you, so appointment confirmation workflow picked up. So it just sent the internal notification as well as, and created an opportunity in the pipeline, as well as send an SMS confirmation right away to this number, the person who just booked the appointment, that hey, I just saved this spot for you at this time. Now, within the workflow, it's even defined 48 hours before, send one more reminder, 24 hours before, send one more reminder, and 1 hour before, send one more reminder. And as you can see, the respective gym is even going to get an internal notification. So let me just quickly show you internal notification email, which okay, by the way, the internal notification is also sent right now. It's not like the mobile is not working. So internal notification will be sent to your respective gym business as well. This is all defined in the snapshot. So this is how the entire thing gets automated. Let's say your gym customer logs into the dashboard, and he will be able to see, okay, one person, like the dashboard reflects within the chart, one person has just booked the appointment. Their CRM is updated right now. So this one person is open. This is the potential amount of money with linked with that one person. So this is how the entire thing gets automated, guys. Like now imagine if you record this video and show them, and this is practically working. You can even give them the link for this website, that see, this is how it is working. Now 24/7 you have automated their business 24/7. Hundreds of people coming in, chatting into the chatbot, booking the appointment. Everything is automated, email sent. Imagine you're just charging $297 a month. It's a no-brainer for the gym business to pay you this for this just simple automation. Go higher level, and then once you explore this, you'll find many more things can be added on top of that. So it becomes a no-brainer offer, which they are not going to switch off ever. That's going to be super amazing, super crazy. So having said that, guys, literally this is going to be super amazing thing for you. If you get the entire snapshot, just sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link GoHighLevel.com/AbdullahZahid, and activate your 30-day free trial, and you are really going to get super amazing bonus with this, and super amazing results. Of course, like the thing that we are looking for is the results, and the private mastermind group, the weekly call that we are going to conduct is really going to be amazing, with along with Snapshot and along with my personal support, because I want to make it the best possible bonus for you, giving my personal time to every individual. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I'm really looking forward to hear from you guys. Thank you. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the GoHighLevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my GoHighLevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our GoHighLevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Just to further add to it, that you are even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the GoHighLevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AIBONUSCS, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. Yeah, and most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.